What if the biggest opportunity to build wealth in the stock market is happening right now?
But real wealth is built through process and consistency. Welcome back to HM Finance Future.
Markets continue moving higher while investors ask, "Did I miss my chance?" Look around you. This city wasn't built by sitting still. It was built by action, by vision, and by the relentless pursuit of progress.
Wealth is built through consistent, smart decisions.
Nobody knows exactly when markets turn.
Smart investors prepare instead of predicting. They understand opportunity belongs to people who are ready before the market changes. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is confusing price with value. Just because a stock rises does not automatically make it a great investment. And falling prices do not automatically mean a bad business. Short-term prices are driven by emotions, but long-term results follow performance. That's why successful investors ask better questions. Will this company still exist 10 or 20 years from now? Will revenue and profits continue growing? Am I paying a reasonable price today? These questions create better investing decisions. Most future stock market millionaires do not become wealthy overnight. They build systems, stay patient, and focus on quality investments instead of chasing trends. Successful investors understand that markets constantly create opportunities, but those opportunities rarely feel obvious in the moment. Sometimes great businesses become temporarily unpopular, and that creates opportunity for disciplined investors. Fear creates hesitation, but disciplined investors use those moments to study and prepare. You do not need to own every trending stock. You only need enough good decisions repeated consistently over time. That is where compounding begins and where long-term wealth starts accelerating. Information alone does not create wealth, because everyone has access to information today. Execution creates results. Investors who remain calm often outperform emotional decision makers. The goal is not predicting every move. The goal is becoming consistent regardless of market conditions. Opportunities never disappear. They simply move from one place to another. That is why developing investing skills may become more valuable than choosing individual stocks. Today's market still offers opportunities, but disciplined thinking matters more than excitement. That's 1 second in a starved abundance. Years from now, many people may wish they started earlier. You do not need perfect timing or large capital to begin. And every experienced investor once started as a beginner. The earlier you develop your process, the stronger your future decisions become. To achieve financial freedom, you must embrace discipline and patience. Focus on quality investments with a long-term perspective. You do not need perfection. You need patience and consistency. Start learning and continue improving. Start investing with a long-term mindset. Build a process that works in every market. Prepare before opportunity arrives. Subscribe to HM Finance Future for more investing ideas and long-term wealth strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.